Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming back at you with another break of 2015 Panini Contenders Draft Picks Football. Let's see who we get. Again. Okay. We've got Richard Sherman, Amir Abdullah, Rush Week, Shane Mayan, Blake Sims, Amir Abdullah, School Colors, Julio Jones, Old School Colors. Danny Amendola, we have the class Todd Gurley, Shaq Thompson, Brett Hundley, and Eddie Lacy, Old School Colors. Brett Hundley was a school color. We have Brandon LaFell, John Mannion, Massachusetts, Paxton Grace, Nick O'Leary, Kevin White, Vic Beasley, DeMarco Murray, Old School Colors. Okay, we've got Odell Beckham Jr., Andre Johnson, Garrett Grayson, Danny Shelton, School Colors, Dorsett, Calvin Johnson, Old School Colors. Terrence Williams, a collegiate connection with Johnny Manziel, Mike Evans. We've got Dante Fowler Jr., Amir Abdullah, Mike Davis, School Colors, LaShawn McCoy, Old School Colors. Troy Polamalu, Amari Cooper, Connor Halliday, Tony Lippett, School Colors, Andy Dalton, Old School Colors, Troy Polamalu, and D. Hart, the autograph. Okay, we've got Frank Gore, Bud Drupp, Vic Beasley, Wallace, school colors. Jason Witten, old school colors. And Trey Williams. There you have it. That was, let's show the two autographs again. D. Hart, Trey Williams. That was one box of 2015 Panini Contenders Draft Picks Football. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.